Welcome. If you want to change Always on Display theme in your Samsung Galaxy S8, open the settings, find lock screen, and then click on the Always on Display. Next, you have to go for the display mode. Oh, sorry, that was the misclick. We have to tap on the settings. And here we got the clock style. So as you can see, we got here the default themes. There's a lot of them. We can also set up this GIFs that we can find here, but you can also pick your own graphic by tapping here. You can go for more themes. As you can see, we can change colors. You can tap just here. Maybe I will go for this theme. Click down to confirm and take a look right now. As you can see, our theme has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.